Maraming natuwa sa Grand Finals ng You're My Foreignoy sa Itbulaga last Saturday, kung saan itinanghal na panalo ang Portuguese sa si Guy Adorno. Ngayon, may bago na namang aabangan dahil mga babaeng foreigner naman ang sasabak sa You're My Foreignoy. May chika si Lar Santiago.
Sa kani-kanilang talento, pinatunayan ng 8 dayuhan na pusong Pinoy rin sila. Sige lang, kahit pa nga mag-nosebleed sa pagtatagalog.
Ay siyang nilalaman ng DB.
Kabilang sa mga hurado sa Grand Finals, sina GMA First Vice President for News Programs, Jessica Soho, at beauty queens Rufa Gutierrez at Gloria Diaz.
Karunungan.
Buntik na, Brad. Buntik na ito.
Karunungan.
Yan.
Karunungan. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Karunungan.
Karunungan.
Yun.
Sa huli, ang nanalo.
With an average score of 94.60%, Guy Adorno from Portugal!
Congratulations!
Ang Portuguese na si Guy Adorno.
It's amazing. I was so nervous and everything worked out, and I'm so happy for the opportunity. So happy with being here. I want to thank you, Itbulaga, You're My Foreignoy.
Ang puso ng ating Foreignoy na uukol din pala sa isang Pinay, na proud pa niyang ipinakilala sa amin.
I was about to have a heart attack, but he was either he got nothing or he won everything. So I'm really happy. I know he was going to win, absolutely, because he works so hard and he's such a good singer and guitar player.
Matapos ang matagumpay na You're My Foreignoy, sinimulan na rin ngayong araw ang You're My Foreignoy.
Yang bukas sa lahat ng gustong kumain.
War Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.